We're back. You're back. We're all back. And we have another item to look at. We thought we would get a meat slicer because every once in a while we have leftover meat. And we also buy sliced meat at the store. So we thought instead of buying it for $6, $7 or more per pound, why not just slice up what we already have and then we can use that for sandwiches and such. And we got this from
Best Buy for $79.99.
We did, $79.99. So that's a good deal. So that's about roughly maybe 10, 12 packages, which if you're buying a package a month, 1 year pays for itself. Right?
We
Yeah.
buy our milk. Not milk.
What do we buy? We buy milk. We do buy milk.
We buy milk, but we're not going to use the slicer.
When it gets
we
really thick, we slice our milk.
buy our meat in bulk. So.
Oh yes, in bulk. Yes, we do. We buy bulk meat, so we get a really good deal. Usually, for beef, it's rarely, the prime rib. If we're lucky, we can get it for about $8 a pound, which is really good. If it's just regular meat, we get it for, like pork or something like that. We got that last ham for $1 a pound, so it's way less expensive. It all averages out, so it'll save us a lot of money. That's why we did it.
You know what's coming after this. If you have this and bulk meat, you should have a freezer.
Oh,
That's on my wish list.
We do not have the right size
That
freezer.
extra.
We need a freezer just for our bulk meat. I think we do stock up because it makes because we're far away.
Yes.
Shopping for us is at least a half hour away, so we stock up.
And we also have a food saver. So.
True. We vacuum seal, we freeze, and we're good to go. We're like the little ants. We're saving up for the winter.
Yes.
All right. So you can tell by the brand, it's Cuisinart Kitchen Pro Food Slicer. Doesn't have to be meat. Anything you want to slice. You can slice bread, I guess, with this, right?
Yes. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I make bread too.
Yeah. So we can, if we want to make up a little French bread, sourdough bread, which we do, you can also slice it. So it doesn't have to be just for meat. It will be versatile. It will be used. All right. You ready to take a look at it? Let's see what it looks like. Oh, and then there will be a demo. We do have, so stay, watch, and you can catch the demo and see how much meat it slices and how many fingers it slices. I don't know. For some reason, I envision myself losing a finger or two. Let's hope
It
not.
does have a safety food guide,
It should be all right.
so you put it in the slicer so
Yeah.
hands don't touch the blade. See, you'll be safe.
Okay. Should be okay. All right.
My
Yeah,
first job
that's
in
cool.
America was a food line on a deli slicer.
So you're familiar with this.
The big heavy duty
Machine.
ones too. Yeah.
All right. Well, then that'll be you. Why am I doing it? You have experience. We'll see. I don't have any to spare. So. Okay, open. Let's open it up. What's in there? All right.
The
user
manual.
User manual.
Oh, and there's the slicer.
There. Hey.
There it is.
Oh, fully intact. Do we just need to lift it out?
Label.
Lift the. You want?
Yes, I need to.
And then you want to hold and I lift.
Yeah, I'll hold. Ta-da!
All right. How's that going? What else do you have here? Just opens up. Pardon me.
Let's see if he loses the finger.
Let's see how many fingers he comes back with from the opening. If this guy loses fingers during the opening, he doesn't have a prayer when it comes to slicing. All right, very lightweight.
Ooh, la la.
We hope it's a durable kind of a thing. Not that we're gonna use it on a daily basis, but you know. So
A food
kind of can tell what goes on here. You got, what do you got here? Oh, it's all taped. But so you can see.
Oh.
Oops. So you put the food in there, bring this out, and you're gonna slice like that.
Fabulous.
Just like that. All right. So let's unwrap. Let's take all the safety stuff off and start slicing some meat. Yeah? All right. Here we go.
And we're back.
We're back. Here. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, what we had to do is clean the machine, right? You want to clean all your parts and then put it back together. So let's see if I can put it back together now that you're here watching me. No pressure. Let's go with this part first. The tray. All right. Snap in place. The blade has little notches to line up. So we'll just put that right there. Line those up. Tighten it down. Lock in place. Okay. This is the safety guard for the food. So we'll put that in place. And then all we need is, we need to adjust our thickness. Let's start thin, right? Let's start thin. Let's see if we like that. It's kind of more of a visual thing. It has numbers on the back. There are numbers.
Yes. Do you want to show them that?
Our camera person can zoom in on that. There's 5, 10, 15. Looks like it stands for millimeters, but we don't really know. So we're just gonna go with eyeballing the thickness and see how that goes. All right, so let's go get some of that leftover smoked prime rib. If you didn't see that video, check out that video. Awesome video. Juiciest prime rib you'll ever have. And so let's get that meat on the tray and start slicing.
Okay.
Just the meat.
Do you want to turn it on first though before you put the meat in? Just to see that it works.
Turn it on? Okay.
Yes,
All
let's
right.
just check that out.
Okay, let's power it on. Let's flip a switch. See what it looks, see what it sounds like, see how powerful it seems. Here we go. Switch right here. It doesn't spin as fast as I thought. Does that seem right?
Why would you want it too fast? And
I don't know.
I would think food would just go flying everywhere.
Oh, good. That's a good point. That's a really good point.
Once you push the meat in, it should, you know. Just getting gloves.
Don't want to lose our A card rating. Gotta keep that. Health inspector could stop by any second now. All right,
All right.
opening this up. Yum. Let's put that on the tray.
Okay.
This is a really long piece of meat, so we need to cut some off.
Oh.
It can only be that big. So let's get a knife. Should I cut it in half?
Yeah. Beef looks good.
Just in half, right? And then we'll have somewhat even sized pieces.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Just like they do at the deli.
record it from here. Let me get some from this side.
Okay. I think we're ready. Are we ready?
Yeah.
One slice. Test the thickness.
Looks good. Hang on,
All right.
I'm gonna stop it.
All right, so try it. Is it good?
Very good.
Very good. Would you eat a sandwich made of that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We'll have to make a video of you eating a sandwich. No. Okay. So there you go, guys. There's half of the roast.
Yeah.
Look at all that. That is some good sandwich. Going to eat that up. Get out of there, knife. We still got to slice this up.
Yeah.
So we'll slice that up and see what we have left. Oh. All right, let's see how much meat was left in that roast.
After we snacked on him.
Yeah, not including
We had
the,
some snack meat.
the snack meat. All right, so we got this on here. We got it tared to 0 pounds. We're assuming this is more than a pound, but we'll see. Maybe
Let's
not.
hope so.
It's about a pound.
Maybe.
That's a lot.
Oh, wow, that's all meat.
Still got that delicious marble. And this is the real deal. This isn't that processed roast beef you're gonna get in the grocery store in the packaging. All right, so we got 1.1 pounds in there.
1.6.
Yeah. For that's 1.2 pounds. That's good. 18 ounces. For our friends overseas, that is 527 grams. There you go. Gotta consider everybody. So very good. That's a nice return on investment. And that's it for that roast beef in the store. That's going to be at least, I don't know, $7, $8, $9, $10 a pound. Right? It's up. It's prime rib, so it's going to be a little pricey. All right, guys. So there you go. Sandwich meat. All right, and if you want to see Neen eat a sandwich made from all that meat, one sandwich of 1 pound of roast beef. No, don't eat all of it. Okay, you know what you got to do.
Like and subscribe.
All right. See you next time.